Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your clips and project settings so grading works predictably. Load the latest app build and verify GPU acceleration. This speeds real-time 3D LUT previews. Then import original footage, don't rename files yet, and create a timeline with the target frame rate and resolution. Once done, choose the correct color space for your camera so the LUT maps accurately. Make sure to save a project version before applying any LUTs to preserve a clean baseline. Next, you apply and fine-tune the 3D LUT because an off-the-shelf LUT rarely fits perfectly. Add a neutral transform or input LUT first to normalize footage, then load the 3D LUT file into a dedicated node or layer. Adjust intensity as a percent and refine using lift, gamma, gain, and pivot so skin tones and highlights stay natural. If needed, create masks or tracked windows to limit the LUT's effect to specific regions, making sure each adjustment maintains shadow and highlight detail. Finish by validating the grade and exporting correctly so deliverables match intent. Inspect waveform, vector scope, and histogram to confirm exposure and color balance, then render using the project's target color space and codec. Embed LUT metadata if the workflow supports it, and export a short test clip to verify playback on client devices. If you see banding or posterization, apply subtle dither or use a higher bit depth intermediate, and re-render the test. If real-time preview lags, toggle proxy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.